Hey, what's up everyone? In this video, we're gonna do a quick unboxing, kind of initial review, and kind of show the installation process here on a test box of the ELEGRP USB outlet. This is a 2-pack, so you actually get this one here, and I took out of the box, and you also get 2 of them here in the box. They do sell them in multiple quantities, but right now we're gonna be going unboxing what's in the box, and then again, kind of show you how to install one of these here, where I have a nice lit area, we're not fighting the wall and stuff like that. Anyway, out of the box, you actually get the USB outlet receptacle itself. You get the, we'll call this is the face plate, but this is the under. This goes directly around there in the electrical box. I'll show you here. And then you've also got the screws here to attach the faceplate, which is nice and modern. They include this with you too, but you can reuse existing faceplates if you've got these big rectangle faceplates. All right, so what's going to happen here when we get this into the box? You're going to have your ground screw here that's green. You've got your neutral, which is over here, which is the chrome, and you've got your hot, which is this yellow one, this gold one. Easy for me. I'm in Pennsylvania, and the Steelers are black and gold, so that's kind of how I remember which one goes back together. All right, so to hook these up, now this is going to be in the wall. This obviously is a test. This is not hooked up to anything, so I have no electricity. If you're not an electrician, I recommend that you turn the power off to this particular circuit before you do anything. And if you feel uncomfortable, call an electrician. It's not a whole lot to have them install an outlet. It probably takes them half hour, maybe. Okay, so these are going to have a little bit different of a connection than maybe you're used to. So first thing is all the screws here, they come all the way out. They're all the way out there, but you'll notice here there's like this little brass plate here. How this is if you have pigtails, if you have little half turns on your wires coming in, you're going to have to actually undo those. And how this is going to work is essentially you're going to, I'm sure if I can do this here on camera. It's easier if I didn't have the camera and I'm in the wall. But if I'm over to here, you're going to have to like slide this in under that brass plate. Let's see if I can get this here. And I'm going to try to get it here on camera. Come on. All right, so when you're done, it's going to look something like this. So that wire is going to go under the brass plate. And then what you're going to do here is just take your screwdriver and you're just going to tighten that down. Once that one's tightened down, you're going to tighten it down there. You're going to give it a tug and make sure that it doesn't come out. And you're going to do that with the same with either one. Again, black and gold, and then the white and the silver, the chrome together. When you're done, it's going to look something like this. You've got your black into your gold, you've got your white into your chrome, and then the same thing. You're going to push it up and then give it a tug so that you know that nothing here is going to come out. Then what you're going to do is you're going to basically give this here a little bit of a bend in the box. And then you're just going to, again, if this is a little bit easier when it's in the wall, but you're going to push this into the box. And then these screws are going to feed in here into the top, and then you're going to screw them in. When that's done, it's going to look something like this. And again, if it's in the wall, it's going to be a little bit easier, but you'll see how those screws kind of go through the box. Well, you won't see that in the wall. You're then going to take your clear plate, and it's actually going to go right over here, fit this on the wall. And then you're going to see these little screws. They're going to pop right into these little holes. Again, you're not actually holding this up when it's in the wall, but it's a lot harder to film when it's in the wall. And then you're just going to take your screwdriver, do that, and the same thing on the bottom. All right, when that's done, it's just a matter of taking the modern faceplate that you have here, and it clicks right on. There you go. Now you have no visible screws. But again, if you want to use an older style base plate where you can see the screws, you'll just use those screws without the clear piece. But there you have it. Overall, now you're going to have 2 sockets here. You're also going to have 2 USBs. You're going to have the regular charge. You're going to have a fast charge. And you're also going to have a regular a USB-C to USB-C. So if you've got something here, it's going to plug right in there. And then you've got your regular USBs right in the wall to charge up. Overall, it's a well-made outlet, and the TR means tamper resistant, so little fingers aren't going to be able to go in there and get shocked. So overall, really, really well-made product. Hey, real quick, if you like what you see in this video and you want to purchase one for yourself, I've left links to everything here in the description. And if you want more no-nonsense, no BS product reviews, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you don't miss one.